So in this video, we are going to talk about the topic, which is variable separable. Okay? Variable separable. So, ano nga ba yung variable separable? So, kung we are going to uh, recall, no? 'Di ba ang general form ng isang differential equation is f dy dx x and then y is equals to 0. Yan naman yung general form. Or technically, ang isang differential equation ay pwede nating isulat as m as a function of x and y dx. Yung m laging kasama ni dx plus n as a function of x and y dy equals 0. Okay? Or pwedeng m dx plus n dy is equals to 0. Ang kailangan lang nating tandaan, si m ay laging kasama ni dx at si n ay kasama ni dy. All throughout yan ng differential equation, yan po ang pinaka-standard format. So, sa variable separable, sinasabi na ang m as a function of x and y at n as a function of x and y dy is equals to 0 ay pwedeng gawing function of x dx plus function of g y dy is equals to 0. Kaya siya naging variable separable kasi yung m na as a function of x and y at n as a function of x and y ay pwede nating paghiwalayin at pagsamahin lahat ng x kasama si dx at lahat ng y kasama si dy. Okay. At kapag ang isang differential equation ay talagang separable, okay, rekta po na pwede na natin siyang i-integrate. Okay, and the answer here is the solution of that differential equation. Okay? Same goes with this differential equation, m dx plus n dy plus p dz is equals 0. Pag napagsama-sama natin siya as fx dx plus g of y dy plus h z dz equals 0, ay matatawag nating variable separable dahil yung m na function of x, y, and z katulad ng n at p ay napaghiwa-hiwalay natin at napagsama-sama natin lahat ng x sa dx, lahat ng y sa dy, at lahat ng z dz, ay pwede na natin silang irektang i-integrate at ang sagot niyan ay yung solution na ng differential equation. So, yun po yung sinasabi nating variable separable. Dapat po there is a way na mapagsama-sama lahat ng variables na magkakatulad. Okay? So, for example, example natin is dy over dx is equals to 2x plus 2xy squared all over y plus 2x squared y. Okay. So, ang gawin muna natin is isulat natin siya as ganito. Okay? Sulat natin siya. Lahat ng dx plus dy, yung kasama ng dx, yung kasama ng dy, and then equals to 0. So, ang dx natin, ipunta natin doon, ipunta natin yung dy dito. So, magiging y plus 2x squared y dy. Okay, ito po yun. Okay, equals 2x plus 2xy squared dx. Okay, makikita natin na uuna si dx. So, unahin natin siya. 2x plus 2xy squared dx minus, pag tinransfer natin dyan, minus na yan. So, minus y plus 2x squared y dy is equals to 0. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung may common factor. Ang common factor natin dito ay 2x. Magiging 1 plus y squared dx minus, ang common factor naman natin dito ay y. Magiging 1 plus 2x squared dy is equals to 0. Ngayon, tingnan natin kung pwede na natin pagsamasamahin ng ang y at pagsamasamahin ng x. Anong ang naliligaw dito? Ito ang naliligaw dyan. Bilugan natin. This one. Okay, misplace siya dyan. Dito naman, ang nami-misplace ay ito. Okay, so para matanggal yung misplaced na yan, i-divide natin siya ng mga misplaced na variable. So, divide natin yung buong equation as 1 plus y squared saka 1 plus 2x squared. Okay? So, kapag dinivide natin yan here, okay, magka-cancel to. Ang matitira dito ay 2x at saka yung 1 plus 2x squared dx. Okay? Dito naman sa kabila, maaalis to. Okay? Ang matitira naman dito ay y. 1 plus y squared dy equals to 0. Next page tayo. Okay? So, 2x over 1 plus 2x squared. 2x, 1 plus 2x squared dx minus y, 1 plus y squared dy is equals to 0. Okay? Pwede na ba tayo mag-integrate? Yes, magkasama-sama na yung x, magkakasama na yung y, and then 0. Okay? So, paano natin i-integrate ito? Ito ay pwede natin gawing u, chain rule. U is equals to 1 plus 2x squared. Pag dinerive natin si u, magiging du. Ito ay magiging 4x dx. Ang meron lang tayo dito ay 2x dx. So, magkakaroon tayo ng correction factor na 1/2. Okay? So, kapag binalik natin yan, ang 2x dx ay equivalent daw sa du over 2. Okay? At ang 1 plus 2x squared ay u. Okay? Minus. Ito naman ay, ganun din, chain rule, 1 plus y squared. Pag dinerive natin ng u ay ito ay magiging 2y dy. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang kailangan lang natin ay y dy. So, magkakaroon na naman tayo ng correction factor na 1/2. So, ito ay y dy. So, pwede nating isulat si y dy as du over 2, 1 plus y squared as u. Okay? Equals c. So, kapag in-integrate natin to, ito ay, ang sagot niyan ay 1/2. Du over u ay ln u minus 1/2 ln u is equals ln u equals c. So, dito hindi pa yan tapos. Okay? Kailangan natin ibalik dun sa original na variables niya. Ano ba yung u natin dito sa kabila? 1 plus 2x squared. So, 1/2 ln 1 plus 2x squared minus 1/2 ln 1 plus y squared, 1/2 ln 1 plus y squared is equals to c. Ito ay pwede nating isulat as 1/2 ln 1 plus 2x squared over 1 plus y squared. Saan nanggaling yun, no? Alam natin na ang ln A plus ln B ay ln AB. Ang ln A minus ln B ay equal sa ln A over B. Okay? Ano pa? Ang x ln A ay pwedeng maging ln AX. Okay? So, ito, pwede nating iakyat si 1/2. Gawin nating exponent. Ito ay magiging ln square root of 1 plus 2x squared. 1/2 raised to 1/2. So, square root 1 plus y squared is equals to c equals to c. Now, para maalis natin yung ln, pwede pa rin ulit raise natin yung buong equation ng pag ni-raise natin ang law ng e, ay magka-cancel yung e. Ang mangyari dito ay magiging square root na lang siya ng 1 plus 2x squared, 1 plus y squared. Ang e raised to c ay e pa din. Ay, c pa din pala, sorry. Okay, c pa din siya. So, pwede rin natin gawing square natin to para mawala yung square root. Pwedeng maging ang final answer is 1 plus 2x squared over 1 plus y squared equals c squared or equivalent pa rin ng c, or pwedeng ang final answer natin dito ay 1 plus 2x squared over 1 plus y squared is equals to c, or 1 plus 2x squared equals c, 1 plus y squared. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So, ganun po ang variable separable. Okay. So, ang variable separable is dapat pwedeng ihiwalay yung x at saka y, mapagsama-sama lahat ng x at mapagsama-sama lahat ng y. And then, that's it. Variable separable, you can integrate and you can find the solution of the differential equation. Okay? Ano pang next? Another example is, let's say, ex ey dx minus e negative 2y dy is equals to 0. Okay? Sabi niya dito, y is equals to 0 when x equals to 0. So, may boundary. So, anong hinahanap dito? Particular solution, yung walang arbitrary constant. Okay? So, tignan muna natin yung differential equation natin. Is there a possibility na mapagsama-sama yung x at mapagsama-sama yung y? Yes. Okay? Meron lang namang isang naliligaw. This one, madali lang yan i-divide. So, i-divide natin yung buong equation ng 1 over ey. Okay? So, makakancel to. Ang matitira dito ay ex dx. Dito naman ay e negative 2y ey dy equals 0. Ito pwede nating iakyat. Ex dx minus e negative 3y dy equals 0. Pwede na bang i-integrate? Yes, pwede nang i-integrate. Okay? So, ito, syempre, ang integration lang naman yan ay ex. Okay? Ito naman ay magiging chain rule ulit. Ang u natin ay dito ay negative 3y. Ang du natin dyan ay negative 3 dy. Ang kailangan lang natin ay dy. So, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 1/3 na correction factor. So, kapag sinulat natin yan ay ex minus, okay, merong correction factor na negative 1/3 du, okay, 1/3, sorry, isin natin, 1/3 e negative 3y u du, tapos yun po yung i-integrate natin. So, ex magiging positive 1/3 eu equals c. Pero hindi pa nagtatapos, u pa rin to. So, ibalik natin, ex plus 1/3 e negative 3y equals c. So, meron siyang binigay na boundary. Okay? Y equals to 0, x equals to 0. So, kailangan kasi natin kunin yung value ng c para mawala siya dyan. So, substitute lang natin. Ang final equation natin dito ay ex plus e negative 3y 3 equals c. So, e raised to 0. X ang given ay x equals to 0, y equals to 0. So, e raised to 0 plus e negative 3, 0 over 3 is equals to c. So, e raised to 0 ay 1. Okay. Plus e raised to 0 ay 1/3. Okay. So, ito ay equivalent na 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 1 is 3. Okay. So, this is a total of 4/3. Okay. So, ito pala, ang final answer pala natin ay ex plus e negative 3y over 3 is equals to 4 thirds. Or pwede natin gawin, multiply natin yung buong equation ng 3. Okay, pag na-multiply natin yung buong equation ng 3, magiging 3ex plus e negative 3y is equals to 4. So, ito na yung pwede nating maging final answer. Okay? So, next naman, another example is, let's say, x cosine squared y dx plus tangent y dy is equals to 0. Okay. Ano ba ang naliligaw dito? Diba? Ang kailangan lang naman natin pagsama-samahin yung x and y. Dito ay naliligaw ito. Dito naman wala. Okay. So, kailangan lang natin ilipat to. Okay. Lipat natin siya. Divide natin yung buong equation ng 1 over cosine squared y. So, ito magiging x dx plus tangent y cosine squared y dy equals 0. Pwede na tayo mag-integrate. Okay, magkakasama na yung x, magkakasama na yung y, kakasama na yung constant. Ngayon, eto kasi, yung cosine kasi, kung naalala niyo yung trigonometric is, ang cosine x ay equivalent sa 1 over secant x, diba? Reciprocal yan. So, ito, technically, pwede nating isulat. Kung 1 over cosine squared siya, pwede natin siyang isulat as cosine squared y, pwede natin isulat, 1 over cosine squared y ito eh. So, ang 1 over cosine squared y, pwede natin isulat as secant squared y. So, sulat natin siya as ganon, x dx plus tangent y secant squared y dy equals 0. Ngayon, ito pwedeng maging chain rule, no? Kasi, pwede siyang maging chain rule kasi ito actually pwede natin siyang gawing ang u natin is tangent y. Okay? At ang du natin ay secant squared y. Okay? So, magiging parang u du. Diba? Secant squared y dy. Okay? So, parang magiging u du siya. Okay, so paano natin gagawin yun? Let's say, tama ba? Cosine squared sin y. Okay, sige. Sin y cosine cube tangent y is secant squared y. Yeah, tama naman yun. Okay? So, next tayo. Ito, magiging, wait lang, move tayo ng x dx plus tangent y. Okay, tapos secant squared y dy. Okay, so anong mangyayari? Anong mangyayari dito? Ito pwede natin u is equals to tangent y. Okay, ang du natin ay secant squared y. So, ito magiging x squared over 2 plus tangent magiging u du. Okay. So, ito ay x squared over 2 plus tangent squared y over 2 equals c. Okay? So, ito yung possible na answer. Okay, tingnan natin kung tama, no? Du. Yeah, Pwede to. And then multiply natin to ng 2. Magiging x squared plus tangent squared y is equals to c, or x squared plus tangent squared y is equals to c. So this can be your final answer. Okay? Okay, sige. Next naman tayo is ano ba? Tayo ng example. This one. Another example is dy over dx is equals to 2 minus y squared 2, 1 plus x raised to 1 half. Okay? So, 2, 1 plus x, 1 half dy is equals to 2 minus y squared dx. Gawin natin yung m dx plus n dy equals 0. So, 2 minus y squared dx minus 2, 1 plus x raised to 1 half equals 0. So, ano ba yung naliligaw dito? Ang naliligaw lang naman dito is nakalimutan kong isulat yung dy. Yan. Okay? So, ano bang naliligaw dito? Ito, and then ito. Okay? So, sulat natin na multiply natin siya or i-divide natin siya both ng yung naliligaw, 2y squared 1 plus x raised to 1 half. Okay? So, ito magiging dx 1 plus x 1 half minus 2 dy 2 minus y squared equals 0. Okay? So, ano nang mangyayari dyan? Pwede na tayong mag-integrate actually. Okay, sige. Next. So, balik tayo dun sa equation natin. Magiging dx 1 plus x raised to 1 half minus 2 dy 2 minus y squared equals 0. So, pwede na mag-integrate. Power formula, ito ay 1 plus x raised to negative 1 half dx minus 2 minus y negative 2 dy equals 0. Integrate natin. Pag power formula, let's say, ang u natin is 1 plus x, diba? Ang du natin ay dx, walang problema. Dito, ang u natin is 2 minus y. Ang du natin ay negative dy. Okay? So, anong mangyayari dito? Magiging u raised to negative 1 half du minus, may correction factor tayo na negative. So, ito ay magiging negative 2 u negative 2 du. Okay? Equals 0. So, ano mangyari dito? U negative 1 half du plus 2 u negative 2 du equals 0. So, u raised to negative 1 half is negative 1 half plus 1, that is magiging positive 1 half, diba? Okay? So, ang mangyayari dito ay u positive 1 half over 1 half. Ganyan yung mangyayari. And then, positive. U negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Okay. Nakalimutan natin yung 2. Yeah, may 2 doon. So, 2, -1, -1, okay, equals C. So, ano ba yung U natin? Ang U natin is 1 plus X. Okay. So, square root of 1 plus X kasi raised to 1 half. Ito pwede nating 2 minus, negative kasi to. So, 2. Okay. Raised to -1. So, pwede nating ibaba. Ano yung U natin? That is 2 minus Y. Okay. Equals C. Okay. So, this can be our final answer. Okay. So, maybe we can have another one. Okay, another one. Sige, let's try this one. Next, let's say loan x dx over dy equals to xy cubed. Okay? So, pagsama-samahin lang muna natin. Taas muna natin itong dy. Taas natin yung xy cubed. Xy cubed. Okay? Loan x dx. Ito naman ay 2 dy. Gawin natin yung m dx plus n dy. So, x muna. Xy cubed loan x dx minus 2 dy equals 0. Anong naliligaw? Ang naliligaw dyan is eto. Okay, yan lang naman. Okay, so x loan x dx minus, kailangan natin i-divide yung buong equation ng y cube para lumipat siya sa kabila. 2dy y cube equals 0. So, makikita natin, pwede natin siya integrate, no? Kasi magkakasama na yung x at magkakasama na yung y. So, x ln x dx, paano mag-integrate ng ganito? 2 over y cube dy. Okay. Ito, pwede nating i-integrate as for integration by parts, diba? So, ang u natin ay pwedeng ang maging u natin dito ay ln x. Okay. Ang du natin dyan ay dx over x. Ang dv natin dito, syempre natitira. X dx. Okay. Para makuha natin yung v, kailangan nating integrate. So, ito ay magiging x squared over 2. So, kung naalala yung integration, uv minus v du. uv is x squared over 2 u ln x minus v du. Ang v natin ay x squared over 2. Ang du natin ay dx over x. Okay, tapos sama natin to 2 over y cubed dy. Okay, so ito x squared over 2 ln x. Magka-cancel yung isa dito, magkakaroon ng isa, so magiging x squared over 4. Okay, ito naman ay y negative 3 plus 1, y negative 2, so magiging y ay 1 over y squared kasi magka-cancel yung 2. Negative 2 y negative 2 over negative 2, diba? Equals C. So, ang final answer natin ay x squared over 2 ln x minus x squared over 4. Cancel to, magiging 1 over y squared equals C. So, this is our final answer. So, that is our topic, variable separable. Thank you for watching, guys.